Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to talk about Soundpeats Air 5. So actually I'm using this for past 2 days and I absolutely love this earbud. So that's why I'm talking about it, and especially because this product price is 63 US dollar, but in just 9 hours the price will drop to 56 US dollar. And that's not it. If you use my discount codes, you will get $5 extra discount, which means you can get this earbud in just 50 US dollar. And this is really amazing. And this is the Soundpeats most latest earbud because it's Bluetooth version 5.4 and it has the best ANC ever. And you can see that I have other Soundpeats models as well, but they all have 5.3 Bluetooth version and this one has 5.4. And most importantly, you can see that it looks absolutely beautiful. Its design is magnificent. So you can see that it absolutely looks like AirPods, Apple AirPods. You can see the design is very familiar. So in design wise they look very good, and in sound they are absolutely incredible. And if you don't want this, then I would recommend this Soundpeats Air 4 Pro, which is also my most favorite Soundpeats earbuds ever, and now this is my most favorite. So you can see, so you can get Soundpeats Air 5 in just 50 US dollar, and similarly you can get the Soundpeats Air 4 Pro here as well. And it's also really good, especially this white color. So this is Soundpeats Air 4 Pro, which is also really good. But because now Soundpeats Air 5 has been launched, so it's your choice to decide whatever you want. And if you look at the difference between these two, you can see, so this is the difference between these two. So now you can see that this one is looking most futuristic and latest model and looks like an AirPod, and this one is also good and it has an ear tips as well, but this one doesn't have ear tips. And just look at the design and finishing of Soundpeats Air 5. Both are looking good, but this one is more beautiful looking. And the sound of this is also very impressive, bass boosted, and this one has most amazing sound I have ever had in an earbud. And it is very clean, transparent, and you can actually listen the songs and everything you want in full volume, and you won't be having any problems in it. So that's why if you want the best Soundpeats earbuds, then this is the one I am recommending you. And now I have zoomed in more for you so you can see it more clearly and take a closer look. They are absolutely incredible and beautiful looking. So in comparison with Soundpeats Air 4 Pro. So friends, it's your choice to decide whatever you want, but I am very impressed by the quality of Soundpeats Air 5, and not just the look but the sound is also very impressive, and most importantly the ANC works absolutely amazing. The ANC is really extraordinary in this Soundpeats Air 5. Although if you want other earbuds, it's your choice, but right now this is the most latest Soundpeats Air model, and you can get it in very cheap. Otherwise the price will be back to 62 US dollar after 1 week of sale. So you can take this opportunity, and I would like you to grab the special white color, and I think the white looks the most perfect and most amazing. That's it. If you want this model, Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro, it's also available. I like it, but I think I need to listen to it more so that I can make a more good presentation to this earbud. But right now I can't review it, but it's good. Right now I am recommending this earbud. So that's it. must use my discount codes and you will save a lot. This is one of the best earbuds you will ever have. Thank you so much.